few moments later.
Okay, cheese sauce, guacamole, sour cream, nothing. You want to see what they have over here? Okay, thank you. Okay, we're here at the taco and barbecue trucks. They got all type of stuff. So I'm about to show you guys where we are. They got ice cream over there. They have drinks. Oh yeah, that's for the Kool-Aid drinks and stuff. Then they have stuff over here. Oh, they got cake. Oh, pastries. How you doing? That's pastry. It's the taco. Oh, this is the taco. This is the taco truck over here. They all over here. This is at a school right here. Off of 91st. Twisted chicken. Oh, they got the chicken. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, we need some catfish. Oh, we need some catfish. Oh, yeah, I want catfish. Okay. We said enough tacos. We catfish.
Okay then.
Oh, wow. Chicken and rice ball. What is a chicken rice ball?
They sold out right now, but it's a loaded rice ball, deep fried. Chicken, mushrooms inside it, chicken inside it, mushrooms, onions, jalapeno peppers, queso cheese. It's bomb.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so we're gonna have to try that next time, man. When it comes out. That like early, like my first 3 hours every day, they come grind them fast. Oh, okay, cool. Like my biggest seller. No doubt. What time you usually open up? 5 p.m. Okay. And stay to about 11. Okay. Oh, okay. Then that's good late night eating too then.
Yes, it is. Wow. What day of the year?
Every day.
Every day. Oh, okay.
Right. Yes, sir. That's because I stay around the corner, so. Okay, right.
Okay.
Right.
This is nice. Okay, that's what we want some catfish. What else do you have like on the sides for catfish? French fries?
Fries. It comes with fries.
Oh yeah. Okay. Catfish. How many pieces of catfish?
Two big ones.
Oh, you get 2 big ones?
Yeah, I said 2 big ones.
Okay. Ooh. I think we want to get this. They got 6-piece shrimp and fries. What's the other fries?
This is what we see. 6-piece shrimp and fries.
I want the catfish and fries.
I want catfish too.
What is that right there over here?
That's twisted wings.
Oh, that's
like
twisted wings.
Different flavors on the chicken side.
Are you serious?
All the
twisted
flavors
wings?
ain't from around here. They different flavors.
Oh. Wow, we're about to see exactly how this food is. Catfish.
And the wings, or we're going to do 2 catfish.
You want to do the 2 catfish? I want 2 catfish. So that's 4 catfish? 4 catfish?
4 catfish.
The fries?
Yeah.
Okay.
Two catfish meals.
Yeah, 2 catfish meals. That's what we're doing. Yeah. That's going to be good.
Yeah,
oh, this is nice. They have everything up here.
Yeah.
Everything that you name.
A lot more.
Oh, okay.
During the day, you feel way lot more trucks.
On the weekends? Because this is my first time seeing it like really this crowded.
Yeah, I only usually see one truck. I didn't know all this was out here. In the daytime or something?
Yeah, during the daytime when kids get out of school.
On Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You come on at least about 6 o'clock.
Oh, this says we cater. Oh, they cater Southern Luscious. Oh, my taste is South and Southern Luscious. Oh, they cater too. Hey, how are you?
Good. How you doing?
You had the crab boy.
Yes,
we sold out. Oh, y'all sold out. They sold out.
Yeah.
When next time y'all gonna be up here?
We'll be back next Saturday.
Next
Okay.
Yeah.
I have my
Please.
Okay. You coming back. You coming back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Have a good day. Oh, we got the Southern crab boil right here. Yeah. All the time, every day. You're like, oh, I want to eat seafood crab boil. And that's the tacos, quesadilla, casadas, and quesadillas. Ooh, they probably had a lot of.
Oh, yeah, they got a lot of them.
Ooh,
Barbecue
look.
grill over there.
Yeah. Oh, let's see what they barbecuing over there. We go right here? No, I'm vlogging. All the time, yeah, look, they come walk across the street. Ooh, they come walk
Right on
right
down here,
across
the
the street.
restaurants right here.
Yeah. We on 91st. And Lower Crocodile. Right down the street. Ooh. Look at the barbecue. That's what you smell. Yeah. Right over there on the... I don't know what it smells like. Barbecue. Ooh. Look at that barbecue. The little fish hamburger. Oh yeah, then it's chicken too. What's that? That's so good. Yeah, let me see what they got. What's the name of theirs? It's delicious cheese. That's their number. Cash or Zelle? Oh, okay, they do Zelle. It smells good. That's the meat beans right there. Oh, this is nice. This you call personal business. Your personal, own business here. Food truck. Another Mexican taco. They got all of it here. That's a quesadilla. What's that? Quesadilla. Canasada. Ooh, it smells good. Look at this. Okay. Oh, that's steak. Yeah. Let's sit down and eat. I got their truck. I love them. We had to go with some with them car. Okay. Look, come on. I don't want to get ran over. Got the family in there. We got a long line right here. They must be good. We got the long line up here. Oh, it's the ice cream. Yeah, so they have one of them. Oh yeah. There's a long line here. What they have like candy? The pastry lips and let's see what they have here. Jewelry. Oh, this is jewelry. Oh, you do your own balls. How are you? Oh, you got the bracelets, the jewelry bowl. Oh, you got the Louis Vuitton. Look, you guys, this is so cute. You know, right? I like the Louis Vuitton. They got the Coach. They got the what's that? MJ? What's that? Michael Kors. Oh, Coach. This is pretty. Oh yeah, look. I like this Louis Vuitton. How much is this one? $9. Oh wow, she got all these. Chanel. Oh, you make this yourself. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Oh wow, they got the Gucci. Pink. Oh wow. They got all the Mickey Mouse. Oh, there's a regular one here. Big balls. This is nice. How often do you come out here? Every Saturday? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, perfect. Okay. That's unique. We had to come back. Thank you. I want to spend all this money.
She can spend it even if she's not with me.
Thank you. We'll see you next Saturday. Next Saturday. Okay, thank you. So I've been spending all his money. I don't want to spend all his money.
My money,
You said it's my money.
What happened to our money?
Our money, okay. Okay, we gotta wait over here for our food. Our food is like in the car right here, isn't it? Okay. What I do with my life? Okay. Yeah, still recording. I'm gonna show y'all what this food looking like. We end up ordering some catfish and fries. We'll come back in like next week or whatever when they come with the tacos. The tacos. I don't know what happened to my light. I don't know what I did with it. Okay. So I will see y'all in a minute once we get our food. Okay? See you in a minute.
In a minute.
I'm gonna have to come back and get one. We're gonna come back and get one of those. Okay, you too.
Oh, you too, bro.
We got our food right here. And as soon as we open it up, I'll show you guys in a minute. Yes. I was looking for some good catfish too. I'm like, there's not no really good, fish restaurants. But we end up finding one. Catfish soul food truck.
Street vendor, baby.
These are street vendors. There you go. We're gonna eat at the table. Get it. Hey, bad. Momo, you gotta probably cut off that light in there. Okay. Okay. We're about to show you guys the food as soon as we get everything set. Wash our hands, and I'm about to make some.
So we should get Bruno that big one and get Kayden that small now. We gotta get a lot of
Okay, that's what we do. Okay. Put these chips and stuff. Oh, you found it. Where you found it at? The butter flavor. Oh, wow. So we can make cookies and stuff with this.
Cookies? I'm frying my chicken and stuff.
Oh, you can fry our chicken too, and we can make
fries in there.
They had it at Walmart.
Yeah, still
Oh, wow.
It was only like 3 of them. I should have got 2 of them.
Okay. We'll put that back in there. Okay, look at all this food. There's just food full of pantry full of food.
Oh, that came out your money too. Sorry, that was the only cash that I was gonna give you $100.
Oh, for what?
Because you said you didn't have no money.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Well, I'm gonna give you 100.
Oh, I got my money. Thank you. Because I was broke.
Sugar.
Oh, got some sugar. Okay. Oh, you went grocery shopping. Some taco stuff. Okay. Oh, you got your case of Miller's Highlight. That's my favorite drink, Miller's Highlight.
I almost wasn't.
Let's look at this fish, babe.
Look at it. It's open.
Let me see.
Let me open it.
No, wait a second. That's not.
I'll open it while you saw.
Okay, let me see. Just look and see. Let me see. Ooh, it is nice.
That's $17 right there.
Ooh, okay. Nice big pieces of fish too.
Hot sauce.
Hot sauce. Okay, so they didn't put the tartar sauce. I should have asked if they did have any tartar sauce.
Got it.
Okay, this is what we got, you guys. French fries and catfish. Ooh. Mm-hmm. It looks good. Okay.
Fish and french fries, baby.
Okay. What are you doing? Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Bad self. Okay, now y'all saw what we ordered, some catfish, because I haven't had catfish in a while. And so we're about to smash that real quick. Smash it, and it's going to be so good.
Did we get bread with it?
No, they didn't give us bread. That's what, see? If you was in Detroit, they give you bread.
Yeah.
With the tartar sauce on the side, with the hot sauce. So we had to ask for all that for $17 a piece.
Right.
Okay, we'll think about going back. But I do want to try those loaded fries. They had the loaded fries with everything on it. Man, sour cream. What's that, chives?
Yeah, they had all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff. So I will see you guys, and we're about to throw down and sit here in our living room, well, dining room / dining room, and eat. Here's Kayden's dollar right here. Here's her dollar right here. Remember this game, y'all? This Operation game. We been playing this with Kayden. She been liking this.
She been cheating.
She been cheating on her. Yeah, she has. So she has. Okay. That's her little stuff and everything right here. But yeah, this is our dining room area right here, you guys. And then this is the living room. We still got stuff or whatever. This is number shoes. Excuse this right there because that's nothing but boxes of shoes. We need to get shoe racks. So this is boxes of shoes that we need to get finished putting up. Some other stuff or whatever. I think it's clothes. Then this TV right here got to go. So my little fatty man's broke it. My grandbaby. So we end up having to get, we have to throw that away. That's done. We have to get Mikhail another one. So this is the living room, you guys. And they got the cathedral ceilings all the way up. And then we got an open window over here and an open window over there. Then we had the little, not the ceiling lamp right in here. Then you could be able to see the upstairs from up there. Yeah, this is our home. And then we do have the wooden floors that matches I ended up matching the wooden floors with our marble table. So we had to get some placemats to bling it out a little bit, and then plus up here we have to get a picture or something right here. And then we do have a big old picture window right there. But we got cathedral ceilings all the way around. And we still looking for furniture for our living room. And then I did bring my picture, my little horse picture right there. I don't know where we're gonna put that, but it's gonna go somewhere. And I got Fatty Man's, my grandbaby stuff over here. Then we have another, just the family room right here. So there's family room right in here for my plants and stuff. And then we also have, that's my little laundry basket and stuff. We had to get a gate actually for the kids. Well, actually not for the kids, but yeah, a little bitty kids right here. King and Prince, King. But I won't be running up the stairs trying to dirty up our carpet. Then it's the bathroom right here. Still got a lot of stuff or whatever to do. This is our bathroom. I have a bathroom. This is the half one, you guys. So this is the half bathroom here. And then this is the laundry room. This is the laundry room. All the laundry stuff or whatever we still gotta get. And this is my wash machine, Samsung. I ended up getting the Samsungs, you guys. So I got the Samsungs and the Samsung dryer. I just love how they sound. I'm gonna have to show y'all, you guys, how it works. Then we end up getting the glass top. We got a little clothes in there, but it's huge. And it's shut down slowly. And then this one have the window. It's the well, it's closed in there too. But this is a see-through tinted windows here. And the see-through tinted windows here. I love my machines. They are wonders. So those are the wash machines and dryers in there. And then also this is our garage. So this is our, oh, stop, shut up. Shut it up. Turn the light on. It's a 2-door garage. So we got our cars right in here. 2-car garage. And I will show you, to be continued, I will show you the upstairs pretty soon. Let's turn this lights off. Okay. There's nobody out there. Huh? Ceiling fans. And these are big cathedral ceilings too. You can't really see, but yeah, it's pretty huge in here. Then that's, of course, the big patio out there, the backyard. And we do have like the stage lights up here. So everything is modern here. Yeah, stage lights. Got the refrigerator, freezer, and this ice maker. So the dude makes his own ice here. I love it. It makes his own ice from back here. As you can see, you can turn the switch off and on. If it get too much ice, you can turn it off. It will overflow. Then right here is the refrigerator. Then this right here is like the little water squeezer. So if you want water, fill up in cups and stuff like that. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, plus we got a sink full of dishes, so never mind that. Okay, let me get it. Been gone all day. Been gone all day, so. Yeah, so this is the, okay, refrigerator. Okay, well, we're about to eat, and that's it for our vlog for today. We had fun with the children, took them to Friendship Park. Also, too, we ended up going to like the little venue for the food trucks. So I will see you guys in a minute. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment down below. And I will see you. I love you guys. Peace, love, and joy. Love you. Bye.